So every time I try to open this hood, it just feels like it's getting heavier and heavier. And I think what's happening is these shock absorbers or struts are wearing out. So today I'm going to replace these. So I got the new ones here. There's really no name or any number on them. They were the cheapest set I could find, so I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, I ordered these on eBay for about $15.26. They look the same size. We'll see what's involved with this. Looks like these clips just pop off, and then these should go right on. So you can pull these out by hand. I didn't know that. I grabbed some needle nose pliers and one of them went flying. So I had to take out the air filter because it didn't hit the ground. It kind of bounced around in here, so I'll waste time looking for that now. So I'm comparing the two. The new ones have this kind of clip on it. I don't know if I could just use that, but the hole looks about the same, but they did use a washer. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to put the washer in there. But what I'm noticing is the new ones look a little thinner. So I hope there's not a lot of play in it. I'm going to have to see if this works. So I took the clips off and I can't get these on. This is crazy. What happens is they won't compress, and I'm just barely able to get that in there. I thought maybe the hood has to go up higher, so I took the one off the other side. I was leaving that on to kind of hold it, but I took them both off and I still can't get this up high enough. You can see I'm maxed out there to get that on. Alright, this is crazy. You can see where this is a little banged up because I had to beat that on with a hammer. It's on. So I'll finish putting the clip in. Of course, I lost another clip. It went flying. So I'm going to have to come up with something for the other side. But for now, this is almost on. Alright, so that is on using the old clips and old washers, and moving this up and down. I don't know, with just the one on, I don't know if it made much of a difference. I'll put the other one on and test it. This side is worse. This is worse. I can't get that on there. There's no way to compress this thing. Maybe if I get a C-clamp or something. I had to beat it on. I didn't have a C-clamp big enough. It did fit in my vise, so I squeezed it in the vise just to see if it would compress. But of course it just pops right back out. But man, now I gotta find some clips for this. So after poking around in here with a magnet on that side, I did find one of the clips, but I still need one for here. So I'm gonna have to come up with something. But what I'm noticing is it doesn't make it that much of a difference opening and closing it. But it does seem to stay up a lot better. You can see before there was a lot of weight on that thing holding it up. Now it kind of just stays up on its own, and I'm gonna have to come up with something to fix this. This is kind of shot, but yeah, it opens and closes about the same. They're just heavy, but it is staying up without all the weight on here. This really isn't doing anything now. It's kind of staying up on its own, but I'll just have to adjust this. Just to show you real quick the old ones, how it takes nothing to just make these go in and out. You know, like, it definitely needed them. So I'm glad I replaced them.